the first time we're actually going to be able to use the 2038 to plow. I told you before, I'm going to try this product, Snow Jet, on the bucket. What it's supposed to do is to help the snow release from the bucket. It's so cold out here, it's actually not coming out that great. So we've got about anywhere between 1 foot to 2 foot in the driveway, and if you remember, we also discussed using these edge tamers. I'm not sold. I don't think I'm going to like them, but I'm going to try. Let's get to work. All right, and we're off. Tractor's in 4-wheel drive. This is going to be different for me because obviously I've never used this tractor, and we've got a new configuration on the driveway now with the construction of the barn. If you watched our latest video, you saw where I re-grooved or added grooves to the R4 tires. I did this because they're notoriously poor performing in ice and snow. I got to tell you, they were fantastic. I had no issue whatsoever with traction in this storm. And but the jury's out. We'll see, and I'll keep you guys informed. By the way, you may ask yourself, you know, why I am needing such a large tractor for this driveway. Now, the driveway is very wide, but do I need this larger tractor? No, of course I don't. It is overkill. The tractor was purchased relevant to its size determined by the amount of work and the type of work that we do for others in the spring and the summer. It's overkill, no question about it, but I sure do love it. Well, I'll tell you one thing I'm really enjoying is the auto throttle. When I want more power, just simply pushing down on the accelerator pedal. Yeah, now here's where I'm not liking the edge tamers. I mean, it's great in that it's keeping me from tearing up the grass, but it's not getting all the way down to the surface of the blacktop. Love the auto throttle. Really, really do. I love this tractor. I'm going to have a blast with it this spring and summer. I'm trying something here now. I'm trying to angle the bucket, I should say, down a little bit to see if I can scrape a little bit better. And I think it's working. Changing the pitch of the edge tamers. You know what, guys? I don't like it. I'm taking these edge tamers off. Yeah, I'm taking the edge tamers off. I don't like it. It's not getting down to the blacktop, which means the driveway is just going to do nothing but get icier. So I'm taking the edge tamers off. Right now you're going to see the difference when I'm able to back drag, angling the blade, and being able to scrape. Look, don't get me wrong, edge tambers have their purpose. I love them in the summertime for being able to scrape topsoil off the top of a lawn, or if you've got a pile of mulch that you've been working on and you've got some residue on the lawn, they're great. And if you have a stone driveway and you're plowing, they're great as well. I've got blacktop. I want to get as far down as I possibly can, and they're preventing me from being able to back drag. Or sometimes when I'm scraping ice off, I'll actually go forward, angle the bucket a little bit, and I can scrape ice. You can't do that with edge tamers. So for me, in the wintertime, it's just not my choice. Now there's going to be some ice because this storm system started off with rain, then freezing rain, and then the blowing snow. Once it starts to, it actually polishes the surface, and so it's going to be icy. So let me talk for just a minute about the box blade. In the very beginning, I used the box blade to clear in front of the garage doors. You'll see that mound of snow that's just collected on the top. Doesn't affect the operation at all. Box blade worked great. I'm very, very happy with it. It does scrape all the way down, and it really helped me to back drag the front. It gets a little tight there, and I'm limited as to where I can put snow. You'll see me put it mostly to your left in the approach. Ideally, what you want to do is you want to put snow, if you're facing the driveway right now, to your left looking at it, by the mailbox. And the reason for that is, as the plow comes down the street and they are scraping the curb, anything that you've got there, they're going to put right back in your approach. So ideally, you'd want to put the snow right behind the tractor where you're looking right now. I can't do that because that's where the mailbox is. So what I try to do is try to push the snow back, and you'll see that when I get to the approach here in a moment, and also as high as possible. I love, by the way, the extended reach of the 2038R versus the 1025R. I'm frankly able to pile snow quite a bit higher, and this video that you're watching right now, we got snow for the next 3 days straight. There's going to be more videos and more snow. So I've got to be able to have a place to be able to put the snow. So the extended reach helps me, again, pile it higher, and is going to be a benefit as we go through the winter. Now, the other reason I really would prefer the snow being on the other side of the driveway is wind. Where I'm piling it is on the western side of the driveway, and our winds come out of the west and southwest predominantly in the winter, so blowing snow is an issue, and it sure was an issue after I got done plowing the driveway. Winds kicked up to about a steady 30 miles an hour, is gusting as high as 50 miles an hour. So keeping that in mind when you're plowing your snow as to, you know, what direction is going to feed the wind as it's blowing across the driveway is, you know, fairly important as well. Nothing I can do about it, though. As far as the snow jet goes, I don't know, I think it worked pretty decent. Not a lot of snow collected in here. And what I will do is I'll put the heater on in the garage and really coat it so the next time it'll be more effective. As far as the driveway goes, Dawn, as I said, not a fan of the edge tamers. As you saw, I took them off, and we were able to get down to the blacktop and therefore preventing some ice. Wind's blowing really good out of the west, at least 30 miles an hour, gusting higher than that. So a lot of this is going to drift in, and you'll see us back. Probably doing some cleanup, plus we're supposed to get some additional snow this week. Thank you so much for joining Tractors in Life, and God bless you all, and we'll see you next time.